Hi everyone, my name is Taylor Johnson and I'm one of the school counselors at Edina High School. In this screencast, we're going to talk about the Multi-Year Academic Planner, MYAP. Moving forward, this is how students will register for courses at the high school, as well as be able to create and modify your 4-year plan. Before we get started, I want to point out that your window to register closes on February 22nd. Now, your middle school counselor and teachers are here to support you through this process. You will also be meeting with your high school counselor in February in a one-on-one sit-down. So, the Multi-Year Academic Planner, MYAP, is accessible on your student portal through Infinite Campus. You'll be able to go in and create an academic plan for your high school career. Registration for 9th grade will be pulled from what you enter in your plan for 9th grade. Next year, you will have time to edit your 10th, 11th, and 12th grade academic plan if you want to make changes before that year's registration. There's a wealth of information online that you should use for registration, all of which can be found on the Edina High School Counseling Department's website. Refer to the course catalog for course descriptions, prerequisites, and pathways. The updated registration PowerPoint is a must-see that talks about grade-level graduation requirements and has a note for NCAA athletes. Finally, your graduation checklist sheet is available to view and print on the website. Don't overlook your teachers when it comes to registration. They have worked with you all year and can provide great insight on what courses are most appropriate for next year. Once February 22nd hits, your registration is final and will not be changed. So have these conversations now. Here's a screenshot of our webpage, and you can see all these resources under the Registration Course Information tab on the counseling website. Here's a quick view of your graduation requirements. When looking at your graduation checklist, think about how do your goals fit the courses you're taking? How will you know what's appropriate to take or not? Again, your teachers are a great resource for determining this. If you're thinking about attending a 4-year college in the future, we encourage your academic 4-year plan to have 4 years of core subject areas, including world language. So to access MYAP, you're going to first log in through your student portal and then access Infinite Campus. When you get to Infinite Campus, you'll see an index of items on your left-hand side. You should notice one new one called Academic Planner. So the Academic Planner is how you both map out your 4-year plan and register for courses. In other words, the courses you enter for the next academic year, your freshman year, and your planner are what you register for, including alternatives. Don't worry, the future years beyond this are only plan, and you're going to have several opportunities down the road to modify your plan. When you click the Academic Planner, you're going to be brought to this screen. On the top, you will be automatically assigned an academic plan, graduation requirements, the class of 2022. If you want, you can fill in the post-grad location, post-grad plans if you want, but we recommend just hitting Next right now. If you do decide to fill in any of those boxes, it has no impact right now. Here you will see the Academic Planner. In it, you'll see the columns are sorted by grade level, starting from 9th grade on the left all the way to 12th grade on the right. The rows are sorted by the subject or credit area. For example, language arts refers to the English courses you will take. Next to each grade level on the top are going to be credit counts. You'll see in this example, we have Pre-AP English 9, 1 credit, Pre-AP English 9 Semester 2, 1 credit, totaling 2 credits. Please know that students should be enrolling in at least 12 credit-bearing courses each year, and no more than 14 credits. Each semester can contain 7 courses or credits, totaling 14 courses credits over the academic year. Remember, the high school day is a 7-period day. Every 8th grader will have a preloaded template to help them complete a 4-year plan. You can remove a course by clicking the X in the top left corner of that box. Also, make sure to pay attention to these alerts. They help guide you throughout the process for meeting graduation requirements. As you scroll down the screen, you'll see different credit types or subject areas. Electives will house courses such as business, Spanish, French, Project Lead the Way. And although world language is in the elective category, please remember this is a common admissions requirement for four-year colleges. You will also notice student prep, which is under non-credit. If you assign yourself 2 student preps, 1 each semester, the max number of credits you can take is 12 that year. In other words, you could have 6 credit-bearing courses and 1 student prep, hitting your 7 courses in your 7-period day. All students will have advisory uploaded in their planner. You need these. Finally, alternates are listed below. You must satisfy the total in the box. Remember, courses are only offered based on student registration, meaning if you choose an elective and only 5 other students also sign up for that elective won't run, and the high school counseling department will look at the alternates that you list to help determine your schedule. When your academic planner is open, like it is now during the registration period, you can click on any open box to scroll through or type in a course. Remember, a full year course requires both semesters. Also, you do have access to a version of the course catalog. This is accessible in the top right-hand corner in the search bar right here. Search the course catalog. Typing in the course name or number allows you to search the course description as well as quickly add it to any grade level or alternate category you'd like. Now, as you're completing your course planner and adding courses in it, we want you to be aware of your credit counts at the top, making sure they're between 12 and 14, as well as the alerts that are labeled. This helps guide you in making it a successful four-year plan. So again, pay attention to the alerts. If you try to save your program while alerts are there, you're going to get a message. And it's going to prompt you to resolve these in order to have a four-year plan. Remember, the courses in the 9th grade column will be used for registration. The courses in later years can still be changed and modified. So really, we want the majority of your focus on next year. Remember, your academic planner and registration are linked. The courses you add to your 9th grade plan will be used for registration. You must indicate alternatives. Courses are offered based on student registration. If you sign up for an elective, it isn't guaranteed to run, which is why we need alternates. Double check your grade 9 work and make sure you have 7 courses for each semester and at least 12 credits, 6 per semester. For students considering PSEO, you must still register as a full-time student, but you must talk to your counselor. So here's the timeline. Registration is open from February 5th to February 22nd. So what do you have to do? Well, you have to complete and turn in your registration worksheet to the middle school counseling office. Remember, this requires teacher initials next to each course you're taking. It requires alternates marked on it, as well as a student and parent signature. If you're thinking about taking 7 courses each semester, you do have to complete a request for a 7th credit form and turn it into the counseling office as well. Now remember, the high school counseling department recommends that in a 7-period day that a student have a student prep, which is a study hall time. You must also complete your academic planner on Infinite Campus by February 22nd. If you have questions, reach out to your middle school counselor, talk to your advisory teacher, and if you have questions about what courses you should take, remember to talk to your teachers too. Good luck.